Holding a mother accountable for out-of-control criminal behavior by her child. It's something police have been reluctant to do, but it just happened in Utica. A rare arrest, and police did it to prove a point and get other parents to exert more authority over their children. This week, police arrested 36-year-old Nutro Muhammad. Authorities say her 11-year-old son has been involved in at least 4 felonies: robbery, fire at a Walmart, stolen cars, and more. Because of his age, police say they can't charge him criminally, so they've turned their attention to the mother.
This case presents a very interesting question. Are parents responsible for the actions of their children? In its simplest terms, I think we would all agree that the answer is yes. For example, if a child goes into a store and breaks something, almost everyone would agree that their parent should pay for that damage. But now we have something more serious. Are parents responsible for the crimes that their children commit? I don't think we want to say yes, like how we think about the store situation, because a crime is something an individual does on their own. But in the case of children, parents have a responsibility and a duty to watch over them. I think this situation is unfolding because we're seeing more and more acts of violence by children. And sometimes it is difficult to hold them accountable.
Late today, Utica Police Lieutenant Michael Curley and I talked about some of the specifics of this case, why police and prosecutors took this very rare step, and what they're hoping comes of it. What message do you hope that this sends to folks in Utica and beyond?
So this is a very unique situation, considering the age of the child, the amount of crimes that he's been in, the lack of the ability for the police and the community to really do anything about it, coupled with the fact that Raise the Age has just kind of run amok amongst the juvenile population, with this case in particular, and the fact that under 12 cannot be prosecuted in any criminal facility or family court. We felt it prudent that we had to do something in this respect.
As the officer in the video stated, in New York State, a child under the age of 12 cannot be held criminally liable in family or criminal court. In the New York Family Court Act, Section 301.2, titled Definitions, it defines a juvenile delinquent as a person at least 12 and less than 18 years of age having committed an act that would constitute a crime if committed by an adult. Essentially, anyone at least 12 or up to 18 years doing anything that an adult would do that would be a crime, they are a juvenile delinquent.